Hi and hello friends, I am Dr. Sai Kumar from Zenus Education channel. Before going into the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel because if you like, share and subscribe, it will be motivation to us. Now let us go into the topic electroplating. Electroplating uses an activity to show how to determine the electroplating. Now let us see how to determine the electroplating method. First, aim of this activity is coating an iron key in copper with the electroplating method, and we need some materials. They are copper plate of size 2 centimeters into 5 centimeters. Here 2 centimeters means length and 5 centimeters means breadth. Crystals of copper sulfate, and it will be in the blue white color, and a key made by iron, and a glass tube, and water, sulfuric acid, battery and connecting wires. Now let us see the procedure. Now I am drawing the diagram. Let us see the procedure. Now I am taking a beaker. First I will draw and then I will explain. Copper diluted by Cu, battery, let us imagine this is the iron key. Now label the parts. Iron key, K2SO4 solution. This is a beaker, connected wires, and it is an battery or cell. Plus plus minus plus minus. It is an AC plug with 230 volts AC plug. This is a diagram to show that electroplating. This is the diagram to show that electroplating is useful. Now I am saying orally that electroplating method. Dissolve crystals of copper sulfate in the pure water to prepare concentrated solution, and pour the solution in a beaker and add a few drops of dilute HCl. Add some dilute HCl solutions, and tie one end of connected copper wires to an iron object, and that iron object is called as key to be coated with copper. Connect it another end to the negative terminal of a battery. Suggested that suspend the tied iron object in the copper sulfate solution. Suspend the copper plate into the copper sulfate from positive end of the battery to the negative end of the battery. Precautions of this activity is care should be taken that the key and plate do not touch each other and are a little away from another. Put the switch on for about 10 minutes, switch off the circuit and take them key out. That means the copper sulfate and iron key should not touch with each other. If it is touched with each other, it will be blasted and dilute HCl will be reacted. Now, now observations of this activity. When electric current is passed through the copper sulfate solution, in which the copper sulfate is present in the form of copper and sulfate ions. The free copper ions are drawn to the electrodes connected to the negative terminal of the battery and deposited on it. Thus, one metal is coated with another material. This process is known as electroplating method. Now, let us see the definition of electroplating method and examples and daily life uses. Electroplating method. If these objects are scratched and deliberately or accidentally, they shinely diminishes. That means if any scratches are there, they will deliberately or accidentally their shine diminishes. That means it will be decreases. If any objects are scratched and it is shinings will be decreases. Scratching of such objects removes some coating from their surfaces, and there will be, we can see a relatively dull surface below the coating. Safety pins, when they are new, shine brightly. However, with repeated use, they lose the brightness of the shining. Repeated handling makes the coating of the pins wear off, and none shiny metal beneath is exposed. The material underneath contains a coating of another metal. How it is achieved? How is a shiny metal coated on the dull object? Let us see ourselves. The key is to be coated when zinc is aluminium instead of copper. What changes do we need to make an above experiment? Now let us see the answer for this question. The electroplating, an inferior metals which are affected by the atmospheric humidity, carbon dioxide, etc., is coated with the superior metals which are not affected by the humidity or oxygen. The following are the requirements for the fine coating. First one is, the object is to be coated should be from the greasy matter. The next second one is, the surface of the article should be rough, and third one is, the concentration of the electrolyte should be adjusted. Now let us see the electroplating uses. Electroplating is widely used in the industry for coating metal objects with a thin layer of different metals. Now let us see examples. Metals like iron, which are easily corroded by atmospheric air. Moisture and oxygen are coated with the deposits of the nickel or chromium, which are deposits of the most resistance to such a corrosion by electroplating method. Machinery parts are often chromium plated to protect them from corrosion, or at the same time to give them good polish. Sometimes electroplating is done with a view of repairing worn out parts of stationery. In such cases, the suitable metal machinery by electroplating method. Electroplating metal is also used in the ornamentation and decoration also. For example, several articles made of the copper or its alloys such as table, vase, decoration, the pieces are coated with the silver or gold. We conclude from the above activities, that is, the coating of an iron with the copper sulfate is determined. In general, the electroplating is used. The processed food items we preserved in the tin coated iron cans. Tin is less refractive index to the food than iron, so the cans are made up of electroplating on iron. Electroplating is possible in also an electrolysis method. When iron is coated with zinc metal, iron becomes more resistant to the corrosion and formation of rust. We'll get corrosion method in the class 9. So zinc coated iron is used for the bridges and in the automobile. That's it. This is about electroplating and electroplating uses, and showing that activity, that electrolysis method which we have discussed now. Forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment to them. I'm giving my WhatsApp group link to in the description box. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Genius Education channel. Thank you. See the above description link to in my WhatsApp group to join WhatsApp group. Now up to now 46 subscribe 46 uh, 46 charts only is there. Now if you add, it will be increasing or increasing. So subscribe to our channel and follow the WhatsApp group which I have given in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video. I, I want more views from you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe my video. Please share this video to your family members and friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Up to now we got only 930 views and subscribers 64 subscribers, I think so 63 subscribers, 930 views they have seen and they went. They did not subscribe our video. Only 64 subscribers they subscribed our video. And thanks for their motivation for us. And if I'll say in Telugu, ఎవరైనా మీరు చూసినట్టయితే మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.